The beauty of every wig is in its styling, be it for personal use or for business purpose. Now, if you want to start your own hair business this year, in this video, I'll be sharing with you two key tips you need to know. Okay, now, number one, you have to invest in creating very good, beautiful, and neat closure for your customers. If you want to make so much progress in your hair business this year, you must invest in hairstyling. That is very, very important. In fact, that is one of the greatest tools to grow your hair business fast and always have returning customers. Today's video focuses on affordable hairs in blend quality. Now, I'll be giving you my honest review on what a bone straight lookalike feels like, if it is actually worth the hype or not, and also sharing with you tips on how to grow a successful hair business. Now back to hairstyling because that's very important. Can you see how neatly ventilated this closure I'm putting on is? You can see how fine the closure is. That is how fine you want to make your wig closure look, or even much better than this before sending out to your customers. Because I notice over time, most people don't actually invest in closure. You see them making really bad closures or really bad or ventilating really bad closure notes, which is not good at all. When you wear a wig, aside the body of the wig, people look at your closure. How fine is the closure looking? Is it well ventilated? Is it neat? Don't just focus on getting a fine hair. Make sure you do a very good closure. That is the secret of packaging your blend hairs to look like luxury hairs, selling for a good price and getting more customers. So you have to either learn how to ventilate a closure. I already made a full detailed tutorial on how to ventilate the closure in one of my videos, or you look for a professional hair ventilator to create very fine, neat closures for you. So that way you're selling good hairs, beautiful closures to your customers. Secondly, always be transparent. Always say the truth. Tell your clients blend hair is blend hair, human hair is human hair. Okay, don't sell blend hair as human hair. Okay, now recently someone reached out to me. I was like, oh lovely, I want a blend hair, a bone to look alike that doesn't tangle, that is so soft, that feels like human hair. No, she was giving a description of a human hair, but she wants a human hair in blend hair. And I was really plain, and I told her, you know what you want is a human hair, so go for human hair. You can't get this quality in blend hairs. Okay? Now, when it comes to bone straight look alike, these hairs are not human hairs. They feel like human hair. We call them look alike. Look alike doesn't mean that it is human hair or it is real bone straight. It feels like it has it's a look alike basically. It is not a human hair. Now I know there are several bones look alike in the market. You see lots of different brands and all, but some are actually better than the other. Can you see my hands are going through this hair? That should tell you that it is actually a good blend hair. Okay. Now I have to scatter this hair and show you like some hairs when you squeeze some bone straight, they don't even flip back. They don't even flip back at all. But can you see how frizzy it is? Can you see the way can you see how frizzy the hair is? That tells you it is a blend hair. Now, if it's actually a real human hair, it won't be this frizzy. Like when I pull them out, you just bounce back and straighten up a bit, like straighten up back, not even a bit, straighten up back. You can see how frizzy it is. Okay, that shows you it is not a human hair. But the good thing is that my hands are running through it. For some bones to look alike, your hands will not even run through it. Your hands are going through it, it's start getting tangled, right? But this is a little bit better, but you can see that the texture is just like a blend hair, right? But as I run my hands through it, it just responds because it is a good blend hair, but that doesn't make it a human hair. So if you're on a budget and you want to start your hair business, but you want to sell affordable hairs, get good quality blend hairs. Okay, good ones like this one I'm putting on. You can see with this particular hairs, with this good quality blend hairs, you need just your tail comb to just go through it. See the way I'm combing the hair, my tail comb is just going through it. It's not tangling, it's just smooth. The texture is very, very good. All you need is a good serum and you're good to go. Okay, this hair accepts heat, right? So for a good blend hair, they accept heat. But if you're selling like the very bad, like synthetic kind of, it just melts as as your switcher goes through it. But when I say it accept heat, it doesn't mean like hot heat, like low to medium heat. All right. So you can focus on selling good quality blend hairs. There are a lot of good blend hairs in the market that you can actually sell, right? But be transparent with your customers and tell them what I sell for now are good blend hairs and not human hair, so they know what they are paying for or what they are buying. Okay, you want to be honest and create trust with your clients. That is the best way to go far in your hair business and have returning customers without trust you. Okay. Lastly, you need to learn how to maintain wigs. Okay, no different products for different hair texture in terms of maintenance. For a bone to look alike, I would advise you use serum and Leoda spray. I'll put a picture on the screen. Those are like the best combo, like go to anytime. Okay. Now you have to learn the ones for curly hair, the ones for pixie coil, the ones for king coils. You have to know all of these things because when your client gets hair from you, you have to advise them on how to maintain these hairs. It's ready for blend hairs to last longer for them. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you in my next one. Stay tuned and God bless you.